So far?
No, I think you explained me everything quite well.
Okay.
So yeah, we can start.
Okay, cool. So tell me something about yourself, about your work, your hobbies, or what you do in your tea time or something.
I work in a automobile company.
Okay.
Yeah, my hobbies mostly include reading,
Okay.
and nowadays I started surfing net.
Okay, internet. Okay.
Yeah, internet.
That's cool. So how much time do you spend on internet on an average in a day? Maybe for example, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours.
No, it's lot actually. It's 4
That's
to
a
5
lot. Okay,
hours.
okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. So what are the normal websites which you generally visit, or maybe shopping websites or social network something?
Facebook for
Facebook,
sure. Yeah,
most of the time you spend
Netflix.
there. Okay, Netflix.
Yeah.
Okay, Netflix is generally video watching, so you
Yep.
spend 3 hours there watching a series or
No,
maybe a
maybe three
movies.
three
Yeah.
hours for YouTube.
Okay, okay, YouTube as well, right?
Yeah.
Any mobile applications which you keep hanging on?
Uh, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay. Any other mobile application which you
Yeah.
think about?
I do check my emails.
Emails, of course. Yep. Okay. And so, any favorite websites do you have or something?
Yeah, Craigslist.
Craigslist is your favorite. Okay, you find
Yes.
things there, right, in
Yep.
cheaper ways. Okay, so we'll start. We'll start. As I told you, this is a usability test, and you shall be testing the mock-ups of the thing which I am making. Please, I am iterating it again that this your recording will only be shown to my TA, and my it is for educational purpose right now. So here we are on the screen. You can see the bookmark pin the day.
Yes.
You can see it, right? You can click on it, and don't click anywhere else.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So it is loading. Yep. Think out loud. Now see, this is your home page, and I just want you to tell me that what do you feel about it, or what do you think it is? What do you think the application is?
It looks like a video game to me.
Video game. Okay, that's funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like I'm going to see some video about the application,
Okay.
how I can use the application,
Okay.
and telling me things like that. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you think this thing is all about? I mean, any hints about that, or do you find more information, or do you want to find more information?
Uh, yes, I can see a live chat option here. I guess if I click there, I'll be able to connect to somebody who works on this.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so do you okay, so see at your scenarios which I have written you, and you have to perform those tasks on these sets of mock-ups.
Okay.
So let's start. When you are stuck or whenever you have any questions, you can always ask me.
Sure. Okay, so I'll start with scenario A.
Okay.
You need to collaborate with some other person for the invitation and event management. Log into the application and try to share your credentials to another contact of yours. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess I'll log in with my Google account because I don't usually use Facebook account or login.
Okay. Any
Generally,
particular reason,
yeah.
something?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Google is my ID.
Go to thing. Okay.
Yep.
Click again. It is the first.
Okay. So I guess this is the home page.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now I have to invite other people. Okay, so I see create new invitation option here. No, that's not the correct one. Okay, yeah, I can see invite guests option here. So I'll just click on that.
Actually, you have to first collaborate with somebody or share this thing to somebody.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I see a collaborate option
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I'll click on that.
Yeah.
Okay, share passcode to collaborator. Okay.
What
So I think the person who I'm going to invite, I guess he will use the same passcode to access this
Okay.
application. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So do I have to type in
No,
something
not
here?
necessarily. You can move on with another
Okay.
thing. So the other one is you have to search decorators in your area.
Yep. So I can see a search option at the top. Yeah, search vendors, guests or messages. Okay.
Okay. What? Okay.
So do I have to?
Yep. Try to search it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I guess I'm done with scenario A.
Okay. So you think it was okay, right? Everything it was smooth for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Long time to say yes.
Yeah, because actually I had problem locating this collaborate pattern.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure. I'll
Yeah.
take a note. Okay. So now for scenario B, you have to
Mhm.
edit an invitation and invite your guests. Okay. So how do you? And then again you have to RSVP and other things. So we'll go step by step. You have to edit an invitation and invite guests. So how do you do that?
Okay. So I see two options here: create new invitation or preview current invitation. But since okay, so I guess preview current invitation is to actually see the template available that is already available. I'm not sure. I'll just click on that. I'll try that option
Okay.
first.
Okay.
Okay, so here I can see, I don't know if this is template or what. Yep, it looks
Okay.
like this is a template.
Okay.
I see
Mhm.
options to choose from number of templates available.
Okay.
Okay, so I have to edit an invitation and invite guests. So I'll choose one of the templates. Okay, I guess I'll go with edit this invitation option. Okay.
This is all. This is all we have
Yep.
in the mockup actually. So now you'll go and what you
I
have to
guess,
invite your guests.
yeah, I can see save and send invitations option here.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Okay, so now I can see three options here
Mm-hmm.
to basically choose how do I want to contact my guests.
Okay.
Whether this invitation should go to their Facebook account or Google account. It's something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll just copy this URL and send it from the Google account.
Better option to you.
Yeah.
And you know about QR code already?
No,
Okay. Okay.
I have no idea what it is.
Okay, no problems. So, move on to the next task. I think this is all for this one.
Okay.
So you have to RSVP in the application and print your guest list. So to get to the RSVP, you again have to go to the the invitation actually, being as a guest. So where do you go that? Yep, right.
Okay, so I can see RSVP option here
Right away.
at the
Yep.
top.
Okay. Mhm.
Yes. Okay.
Consider it filled already for you. It
Yeah.
is just a mock-up,
Yeah.
and consider it filled. So
Yeah, I don't see a print option here.
no, you just have to print
Okay.
your guest on the dashboard. So
Okay.
move on to the dashboard from here. Yep.
Okay, yeah, I can see a guest summary of guest list with all the details.
Okay.
So I will just print it.
Okay. Nice. You got it printed.
Yeah.
Okay. Assume it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're okay with this all the flow, right? You are not facing any difficulty in because this is not a website. This is just a mock-up. So there are few places where you can't click or you cannot do things. But overall, I think it is easy for you.
Yep.
Okay. So let's move on to the scenario
Next
C.
scenario.
Yeah, it is.
Go to vendor management page. Tell us what you see. Okay. Okay.
So you found vendor board page easily?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So now you have to just tell us that how do you see it? So
Okay.
describe it.
I see list of vendors here.
Mhm.
I can see other details like what their specialty is, their reviews, their feedbacks about them.
Mhm.
Then I can see the quotes,
Mhm.
and I guess it also facilitates me to write a review
Okay.
about
That
them.
is your next task, of
Okay.
course,
Yeah.
to write a review.
Yeah.
Okay. And these are the vendors which you find in the area anyway. So
Yes.
recommendations.
Yes.
Okay. So next task, write a review.
Okay. Yeah. So I can write a review here. Yeah,
Easy
that's
for you.
fairly
That's
easy. Yeah.
easy. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Click anywhere else to you find a close and save button. It won't happen here. It is a mock-up. Click anywhere outside. Okay. So this task is done. We'll
Mhm.
go to wall section now.
Okay.
Fine.
Yep.
So again, you have to go to the invitation and
Yes.
see the
Upload a pic.
upload a picture. So where can you find it?
Okay, it's on the left hand side. Okay, I guess I have to go to edit this invitation tab. Okay, yeah.
So now you have to upload the pictures.
Yes.
So okay, so you got the upload
Yeah,
button.
either I can take a pic or upload it from my
Device or
gallery
maybe
or
recorded
something.
video.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you get back to your dashboard, right? Where
Yeah.
you can see all the images and all.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
there is a huge flow between this, but this is just mockups. Yep.
Yes.
And now you have to click a picture to see the message. I have focused it for you. Yep. Okay.
Okay.
So you get
Yeah,
a
so I
picture
can
and
see the comments from different people. Yeah, and
Okay.
who uploaded the pic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you find it?
Yeah, it's very good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all for the first set, I guess,
Okay.
and we'll move on to the second set of the second set of the mockups. The same thing
Mm-hmm.
will be in a very different kind of UI.
Okay.
I mean, the pages will not look the same. They will
Mm-hmm.
be doing the same thing, but they will be a little different. What you just saw.
Okay.
So now you have a very good idea that what do you find where,
Yes.
or what the terminology of the application
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
So I think now it will be easier for
Yeah.
you to move ahead and show it. So click next and see that where do we reach. Yep. So this is the home page of the second set.
Okay.
Okay. So here we start again
Okay.
from the
Yes.
scenario A. Yep. Okay.
Okay.
So what about this? This helps than the first one.
Okay, so I have to repeat the same.
Same thing. Yep.
Yeah. I don't see a login option here.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have to search for it.
There is nothing much to search here.
Okay.
So what do you do? Difficult, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you have any questions here?
Questions for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, how do I log in?
Yeah. Okay. You see a start.
Yes.
Okay. So you might start doing things there.
Okay.
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 So this is the starting template you choose. Take me there, and here you can log in actually.
Yes.
So this is what the rationale behind this was to show you the templates before you log in.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how do you like it according to previous one? I mean, there you had to
Yeah,
log
of course
into.
it's better. I get better idea of what
Okay.
I'm going to.
So now you find the login less front page useful, or these things should be on the front page itself.
No, this idea is good, but maybe that star option that should be
Uh,
large in size
okay. Okay.
for me to look
Okay,
at
more
easily.
accessible. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Cool. So you can now log in anywhere.
Okay. Okay, so now I have to share it with person. Yeah, I can see an option here.
Now the last one you said that you had trouble finding collaborator option.
Yes,
This
yes,
time,
yes,
how
this time it was good.
It was better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lot better. Okay, so now I can go here and
Okay. Now you have to search a decorator. I'm sorry that here there are photographers to search. So
yeah, that's
so
okay.
it's okay. So you understood where the search
Yes,
is,
yes,
right? Okay,
yes,
already.
that's-
Okay. So
that's
let's
what
do away with scenario A. We'll go to scenario B.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
now you
now-
have to
I have to edit the invitation. Yeah, I can see
it
the
more
option here.
clearly.
Yeah, yeah.
And is there any confusion between editing and creating, because there was a two buttons separate in the last
Yeah, the
set.
confusion is when I log in for the first time,
Mhm.
I don't understand why I see the edit
Create.
invitation
Oh, okay.
option there.
Mhm. Okay. So this sounds better, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have to edit it.
Okay, so now I have to invite the guests.
No, you have to edit it first.
Okay.
Okay. It will not
Yeah.
work. Of course, you cannot edit it here because it is
Okay, yeah, but
too.
I-
Yeah, you
I
got
can
the
see the
idea,
option,
right?
yeah.
What you can do. Okay. So
Okay. Now I
now you'll
have to-
invite. Yep. You have to invite
that-
people.
Okay. It's more or less same like the.
Similar, yeah. Okay. The content is similar. What
Yeah.
you can see different. Can you tell me? Can you tell me yourself that what do you see different than the previous thing?
Not actually. I find them
The
quite
exactly
similar.
same way.
Yeah, but I guess the
I
one.
think
Yeah, it had.
I'll help you. I'll
Yeah.
help you with this because see, in the last set you had
I had few more options
yeah.
here on the same page, I
Okay.
guess.
Okay, so you can
Yep.
invite through. Again, you will prefer. Okay, this
Yep.
time you are sharing through Google.
Even last time I did the same.
Okay, no, but you copied to clipboard first, right?
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so it's.
Okay, you shared it. You just
Yep.
considered
Okay.
shared. Okay, now so we'll go to vendor. We'll go to vendor management page.
Okay, I can see the vendors management page at the top.
Okay, not working. Go back.
Okay, I can see manage vendors option
Okay.
here. Will it work now?
Not working. So you can move ahead. Yep. Oh, you had to see the guest also. RSVP in application and print your guest list. So
Okay, yeah. So I'll just. I
uh,
can see the guest list here.
go to you have to RSVP as well. So why don't you go to the edit thing and RSVP again? Yeah. So here is the guest list.
Okay.
So you print it.
I'll
Yeah.
just print it.
Find easy.
Yeah,
Now-
the two
now-
or two RSVP options just confuse me.
Okay, you
Confused
you
me.
got confused.
Yep.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, so
Okay. So shall we move?
yeah, we'll move
Okay.
to scenario C.
Okay, so in scenario C, I have to go to vendor management page. Okay, so I can again see list of vendors.
Similar things, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what do? You have to write a review here. Or do you find something better or worse here than the previous one?
Yeah, I like this layout.
You like this layout?
Yep.
Okay, you don't want vertical listing?
Vertical, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, so I can just go here and write a review.
Okay.
Yeah.
You find it good?
Yes.
Then the pop-up. There was a pop-up in the last time.
Oh, I don't remember that.
There was a
sorry.
pop-up which came
Okay.
up.
Okay.
Here it is just a tooltip. So how do you
Okay.
feel about that?
Okay, it's good.
It is better?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just
Close
close
it.
this.
Yep, makes sense.
Yep.
We're done with the
Yep.
C. And now you'll go to wall section in the invitation and upload a picture. Okay.
Okay, I can see a wall option here.
Okay. This is fairly similar to the last one. It is just that it's more cleaner.
Yep.
What do you see?
Yep.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. This is all.
Okay.
So now I'll be asking you a few questions here, and thank you for all the efforts which you took.
You're welcome.
Okay, so so overall, what do you think about the application?
Yeah, the application is good. Maybe you can have a home page, because here I was just getting confused with the home page and with the edit template
Okay,
page.
got it.
Yeah.
Or so, what do you think? In a real world, would you like to use such an application?
Yeah, surely. Yes, for sure.
Okay. And any other sites which you have seen like that or something?
Yeah, I guess
Some
many of my friends
send
have
you
used similar kinds of
e-invitations.
yeah,
and
invitations.
okay, cool. So now you got the internals of it, how it works actually. So that is cool. So a few things about the application you will tell me now which you didn't like at all. You hated it. Not the mockups, the application UX or I want to say something you feel that it should not be there or it is annoying or something.
No, I just think that maybe on the home page itself we have broken down we have divided the task into too much details. We should have divided them into broader categories.
Okay, makes
Because
sense.
I can see many options on the left hand side which I don't.
Understand it all.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
we should have max 2 or 3 options, and then inside each option we can have different.
Okay. So you want to be selective about what you are doing. You don't want to
Yes.
see everything
I
right
don't
away.
like seeing too many options at the same time.
Okay, makes sense. And so anything else about you hating it?
No.
Okay. And what about anything you liked in particular, which made it, because you go on to internet, you see things. So do you feel that a few things on the site are actually helpful to you or useful?
Yeah, I have never really seen a site which actually allows me to go through a vendors list or search for vendors or choose my decorators.
Mm-hmm.
I've usually seen wedding invitations.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't include all these things.
Okay.
Usually.
Okay. And any other thing which you think about it that are actually good, that you feel even in for example, you were more happy about logging in the second page than right away.
Yeah, I like the fact that two or more people can work on this thing.
The collaboration
Yeah,
part. Yep.
yeah,
Okay.
I like that.
Okay. So because you and your
Yeah,
maybe.
maybe
Uh,
I can just start editing something and then my friend can just finish it up.
okay,
Something like
that is cool, right? You just have
Yeah.
to share a link. Okay,
Yeah.
that is okay. Okay, so I think there are a few things which I'll ask you again. It may be very repetitive, but please bear with me. What do you think that these kind of applications excel in? I mean, will it make the task easier for you as a event organizer in your family or something?
Yeah, sure. For people from my generation, yeah, definitely it will make things easier.
Okay.
But I'm not just sure that if the search list is actually
Bigger,
like
comprehensive, yep.
yeah,
Then it will be helpful.
yeah, then it will be helpful. Or otherwise, I'll have to stick to traditional ways of contact
Okay.
hiring people.
Okay, yes. It depends on what kind of data you get, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think that having this thing, the invitation on your mobile or a fast loading page or something, do you have a concerns there that things you spend most of the time on your mobile, right?
Mhm.
Not every time you are on desktop or you said you use Facebook. How do you
Yeah.
use it?
Yeah.
You use it on mobile.
Yeah.
Okay, so this site, if presented on mobile, do you have any concerns there? Will you use such site on a mobile?
Yeah, sure.
You'll use it?
I use almost
Everything on
every
on
site
the
on
mobile.
mobile.
So you have a bigger screen on your mobile or
Yes,
something, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay. And what do you think that while we are uploading it, uploading images, uploading pictures, right? Right
Yeah,
during
but
the invitation.
just one point. Maybe if I have to edit something or if I
Mhm.
have to do something like that, then maybe I'll prefer accessing it from my laptop rather than my mobile.
Something like that. I mean.
Like you can make, I guess that template that was for
Okay. Okay. So whenever you are creating an invitation,
Yeah.
you would like to do it on laptop.
yeah, like making some collage or something
Ah,
like
okay,
that.
okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Okay, few things you do on laptop, few
Yeah.
things on go on. Okay, makes sense. Okay, thanks, Archana. It was nice talking to you, and thanks a lot for helping me out here.
Same here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.